future cadets or aspirants. So, tata kat pagtungtungan tayo iti algebraic operations or dagayaan niya dagay. Additions, subtraction, division, can multiplication iti algebra niya. So, we are going to start iti basic palaing. Kasi basic means dagay fundamental no. Importante nga maalam pailaang magets mo pailang before tayo mapan iti core wenno jay karigatan. So, agrugi tayo iti addition nya. Addition and subtraction of algebraic terms. So, ti aramidan tayo ijay na dati makita tayo ket pag-combine nun tayo lang nagyay numbers and kopyaan tayo jay variable. Now, na-lesson ko di very first video nga about iti jay algebra nga adati coefficients means the number, variable means the letter, right? So, what are we going to do? Combine their coefficients using addition and subtraction, and you are going to just copy the variable nya. Here is an example. So, katan tayo pa lang dito eh. Okay. So, this is an example of an addition nya. Kasano nga answeran dito eh? Kung na jay rule tatay, you are just going to add jay number or the coefficient. So, 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Nya? And then, you are just, nyarami din dito yung variable. You are just going to copy. Nya? So, the answer is 8x in this situation. Nya? Next, example. Oh, here. There is 7a minus 2a equals 5a. So, you are just going to minus the 7 and 2. And then, you are just going to copy the variable. What about this? Can you do something about this? No, because the variable is different. So, you can only apply addition and subtraction. Ma-apply mo laeng di addition kan subtraction, no? Parehas iti variable na, nya? So, daytoy han iso na nga mabalin nga iyad, nya? Okay, we move on to the multiplication, oh. Nag-multiply tayo kano iti algebraic terms. Cut, you have to i-multiply mo jay coefficients or the numbers, tapos pag-addem dagay exponents no same da iti letter or variable niya. Again, pag-multiply yam jay coefficients, tapos i-add mo dagay exponents ti same nga variable niya. Now, for example, this one, oh, di ba same na ti variable? So nga, naramid iti answer na i-squared lang suna niya.